Install my natural hair with me. So I decided to shave off all of my hair and turn it into bundles. And I shaved off my edges too to make a handmade frontal. And if you're still believing me by this time, I'm so sorry. I'm literally lying. This is a wig. It's from Hergivenhair. This is their Afro kinky coily hair. It's supposed to mimic natural hair. The lace is Swiss transparent lace. The unit that they sent me is 16 inches. And the lace construction is a 13 by 6 T-part wig, meaning from ear to ear, it's 13 inches. The middle part is 6 inches, but the sides are only 1 inch. It also has the kinky edges as well. Woo! Now that we got through all the details about this wig, you guys, this is the best natural wig on the internet. Can I say that? This was the most easiest install. I didn't do much. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't pluck the lace. I didn't do nothing. I literally just cut the lace off and plopped it on my head. And I did a nice cute little afro look because that's what it gave. I do have a coupon code with them that I will put on the screen. So if you're interested in investing in this wig, you can save a little money. But yeah, guys, I don't want to be too salesy. You see it. You see it on my head. I don't gotta say too much. Look at it. It's beautiful. I like to share. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Because are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I like to share. And if it resonates with you, if you feel it in your core, if the spirit moves you, then hey, my work here is done, you know? The decision to buy it or not to buy it is up to you, darling. Make the right one. Anyways, cue the video montage now.